Introducing the TESLYAR wood phone docking station, the perfect solution to keep your daily essentials organized and charged. Made of solid ash tree and covered with non-toxic finishing, this stand is not only beautiful but also sturdy and long-lasting. It features compartments for your wallet, documents, glasses, watches, fitness trackers, bracelets, keys, stationery, and of course, your phone. With its smart design, this stand is compatible with all kinds of smartphones and fits perfectly into any interior, whether it's classical or modern. It's also easy to assemble with the included manual. Plus, it comes in an eco-friendly rustic-style gift box, making it a great gift for any occasion: Christmas, birthdays, Father's Day, anniversary, or graduation. Don't settle for cluttered nightstands or tangled cords. Upgrade your space and simplify your life with the TESLYAR wood phone docking station. Order now and experience the convenience and beauty of this multifunctional organizer. Please note, accessories shown in the pictures are not included.